This is Chapter 5, Section 4, Problem 2. A population has a mean, a mu of 77, and a population standard deviation of 24. Find the mean and standard deviation of the sampling distribution of a sample with sample means and sample size of n equal to 64. The mean of the sample means is equal to the population mean mu. So now in this case here, let's say this is our population. Subpopulation. And in this population, we have all our samples. Each one of these samples has a sample mean. We have our samples here. Sample means. Okay. And so here, the average here of the sample means is equal to the population mean, which is 77. The standard deviation of the sample means, the standard deviation here of the sample means is equal to the population standard deviation divided by the square root of n. So they tell us here that the population standard deviation is 24. Okay. Divided by the square root of n, which is 64. N is 64. So you can plug in here. We have our 24 divided by the square root of 64, which is 3. Therefore, the sampling distribution of X is approximately normal with a population mean here, 77, and a standard deviation here, population standard deviation of 3. So we have a population mean here, 77, and a standard deviation, population standard deviation, which is equal to 3. So one is implied by the formula here. The other one is implied by using this formula here for the standard deviation. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.